Hey Freckles, so I got 3 hours of sleep last night, and today there was definitely some mutual ass-kicking going around, not between people, but between math, physics, and me. And I guess that mutual ass-kicking was actually more one-sided than I previously thought it would be. But my physics test, let's just not talk about that. But later I took a differential equations quiz, and I made the dumbest mistake I've made in a while. That's an exaggeration. Definitely. I make a lot of mistakes a lot of the times. But basically, I made a mistake after 3 semesters of calculus. This is the 4th. Just in basic algebra. Basic algebra is hard, okay? It's hard. Sorry about my glowing face. I have a really crappy camera. In terms of my ass-kicking agenda for today, I am not doing too well, but luckily for me and unluckily for that problem that kicked my ass on the test because of basic algebra, that sucker's in the textbook, so let's go tackle it. Alright, so to tell you the truth, I actually filmed like 15 minutes of me doing this problem and talking about various things and singing off pitch and just rambling on about awesome things and feeling extremely narcissistic, but happy about it, so maybe I'll leave that in, maybe I won't. You obviously know already, so let's just get to the recap. Alright, let's do this. So basically, I didn't think about how my camera's flipped around now. I have no idea where it's going to be pointing. Alright, cool. So basically the problem is use the Laplace transform to solve the given initial value problem. And basically the Laplace transform is this whole mathematical thing that's freaking awesome, but I'm not going to try to explain it because it's also freaking complicated. So basically you're given this problem, which is a second order differential equation because it has this function y, and it's differentiated once and differentiated again. Basically to describe the derivative is basically like the slope if you have like 2 points in a graph. But I'm not really going to try to explain it further than that, other than saying that the double derivative is basically the second derivative, is what I meant to say. It's basically just the derivative of the derivative, obviously. So this is an initial value problem because it also has what y is equal to at 0 and what the derivative of y is equal to at 0. So basically the Laplace transform gives you that L, the Laplace transform of y prime prime, the Laplace transform of y prime is equal to this. And because of the mathematical awesomeness of the equation, you can just plug those two in for y prime prime and y prime. And when you do that, you get this, basically. But because I'm skipping steps because I'm lazy and stupid, I know that y of s is equal to L of y. So basically that's just the most awesome function ever. No, it's not. I just didn't know what to say, so I just called it the most awesome function ever. But anyway, we're just going to call it y of s. And once we have y of s, as you can see over where am I pointing? Over here. Yes, so the Laplace transform of y is equal to the large Y of s. So that's just how it works. I really wish I understood the proof better, but I don't. So yes. So then we're trying to find y of t because we're trying to solve the initial value problem, and when you're trying to solve an initial value problem, the only unknown here is y. So that's what we're trying to do. So anyway, because of the Laplace transform awesomeness of this, you can just find this, which is what we do by plugging all these things in and doing a little bit of algebra, which I totally screwed up on the quiz, thank you very much. And then you just plug it in here, and you actually get to use a table, and tables are freaking awesome because they basically just give you the answer, and all you have to do is turn a page. So, that's great. So basically what I did here is I plugged all these things in, and luckily because y of 0 is equal to 0, you can basically just make that go to 0 when you plug all these things in, and you end up having y of s multiplied by this thing there. Do you like my term there? And then you have actually y prime of 0. That was a miss right there, and I can't open the pen with one hand. Yep. So that's just going to stay there. That's y prime, okay? Just think of a prime there. And because y prime of 0 is equal to 1. I just love math, okay? It's the only thing I'm good at in life, so don't hate me. Great? Good. Awesome. I bet none of you except my future self are here, so shout out to future me. And if you are still here, then comment something down below and I'll read your thoughts. Ooh, that sounds creepy. I won't read your thoughts, but, well, comment anyway, okay? Whatever. Okay. But anyway, so you find, using this, you know that y prime of 0 is equal to 1. That doesn't say y prime of 0, but it is. And it gives you this, and then using the table, you get over here to that, and booyah! Killed that sucker. So, yay. Sorry, I had a lot of energy today, even though I didn't because I'm a zombie. I'm confused. Bye. Bye. See you tomorrow. Bye.